Coucou! Hi! J'espère que vous allez très bien. Hope you are doing good. Vous vous portez bien, j'espère. Vous vous portez bien, j'espère. Another way of saying or asking if you are doing good. And I hope you are doing good, and welcome to another episode of Expression du jour on Easy Learning. You know me already. The one. Hope you've been watching the videos, and for those who are already part of the big family, thank you so much. If today being the first time you are watching us or you are following us, kindly subscribe to the channel, call a friend to call another friend to do the same, like, share, and also comment, because we need us to know that we are really serving you guys. That is why you are. Anyway, thanks so much for being part of all the show. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. We are more grateful. Nous sommes reconnaissants. Another word, you see, grateful, reconnaissant. So just use it. Grateful, reconnaissant. You know exactly what we do on Expression du jour. We discover expressions, either idioms, proverbs, why not, or sentences, why not. So today too, we will discover a new expression. Hope you are ready for it. If you are really ready for it, then stay good. We'll be right back after the short break. Straight to the point. What is today's expression? Straight to the point. A bird in hand, or a bird in the hand, is worth two in the bush. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. You've been hearing the expression, okay, and you have been using it too. What does it mean? A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A thing you have or you hold is better than two you've been promised. That's all. Something you have, or you know that it is yours, or you have it already, okay, or you hold it, is better than two things you've been promised. That's all. So to make it short, it simply means don't really count on promises. Don't really count on promises. Literally, the expression in French is simple. Literally. Okay? So when you take a bird in the hand, un oiseau dans la main. Okay? So a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Un oiseau dans la main vaut mieux que deux dans la bourse. Slowly. Un oiseau dans la main vaut mieux que deux dans la bourse. That's all. Literally. Okay. Now when you take the real expression in French, the real equivalence of what the expression in French is, un tien vaut mieux que deux tu l'auras. Un tien vaut mieux que deux tu l'auras. So when you take a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, in French, un tien vaut mieux que deux tu l'auras. And for those who can speak French, un tien vaut mieux que deux tu l'auras. En anglais, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. You have the expression as usual, comme d'habitude. As usual, comme d'habitude. Use it. The next step, vocabulaire. First word we will take from the expression is, of course, a bird. I think it's part of one of the expressions we discovered not long ago on Expression du jour. So a bird in French is un oiseau. Okay, so as usual, we'll take it in French and also in English. Un oiseau. A bird, you can even see the picture. Un oiseau, a bird. Un oiseau, okay, a bird. We have la main, the hand, la main, the hand, okay. La brousse, la brousse, la brousse, the bush, la brousse, the bush. Mieux, 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 better, okay, mieux, better. Valeur, there are words in the expression, okay, la valeur, the worth, la valeur, the worth, okay, la valeur, the worth. And then we have also un. You already know un in French, okay, in English is just one. So un, one. And then we have deux, two, just like we are counting, you see. So un, one, deux, two. Okay, and we have also some verbs. When you take, for example, the first one, we have tenir. Tenir. Tenir simply means to hold. Tenir, to hold. Okay, tenir, to hold. And then we have valoir. Valoir. Valoir, to be worth. Valoir, to be worth. I think that'll be what we'll share on expression du jour. It means you have not only the animal, you have also a part of the body, you have some verbs, and you have also the numbers. That's great. This is exactly how we do it on expression du jour and also on vocabulaire. Thanks for your attention. Un tien vaut mieux que deux, tu l'auras. En effet, un tien vaut mieux que deux, tu l'auras. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. You have the expression, so use it. Vous avez l'expression. Faites un bon usage. Merci de toujours nous suivre sur Easy Learning. Thanks for watching the video. If today being the first time you are watching the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, comment and share it as well, d'accord? Partagez, abonnez-vous à la chaîne YouTube Easy Learning, partagez, commentez et puis likez. That's it. Ce sont juste des expressions que nous partageons sur Easy Learning. Nous découvrons des mots histoire de bien nous exprimer dans la langue, que ce soit en anglais et en français. Une fois de plus, merci pour votre aimable attention. You know me, the one, right? That is exactly how we do it. So when you say the one, you know already what I do. Can we try it once again? Are you ready? Say it, let me see. The one. I see.